This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Beautifully remodeled home in highly sought after Stewart Place subdivision. Offering 5 beds 2.5 baths, 2,495 SFT plus / beautiful walk-in showers, granite countertops, split floor plan, Frigidaire Gallery stainless steel kitchen appliances, on a corner lot, oversized 3-car garage, stom shelter, covered patio, luxury waterproof vinyl wood floors and ceramic tile. This gorgeous home is ready for its new owner. Call for your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Dylan Stanley at 479-747-1290.